So a quick look at the statistics and the state of document reviews and management today. This is a quick research that I've done, and of course, some of these numbers are outdated. I would love to see if things have changed post-COVID. But 65% staff experience challenges when checking and approving office documents, and it's a constant case of frustration, right? 83% workers struggle with version issues daily, and 92% of employees review and collaborate on documents via email. I can vouch for that. I've talked to so many people. Possibly this has moved somewhat to Teams and Slack, but still, it still happens on email quite a bit. And then companies still spend on an average of $20 to file and store paper documents. So looking at these numbers, it is appalling to see that we are still quite behind in terms of document management and collaboration, right? And we all know that document collaboration runs across enterprise functions, whether you're building marketing collaterals, building, or a company that is dedicated towards, building marketing assets, whether you're a sales company working on proposals, HR team working on internal documents, working on the learning initiatives, and then legal teams working on contract documents day in, day out, engineering teams working on blueprints. We are constantly circulating documents internally and both with clients and partners. And of course, some of the larger challenges happen when we are actually, even if a lot of the teams have solved the challenges for internal collaboration, the clients and partners bit is something that we are still struggling with, right? So